What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little fun unboxing. Jeffree Star. But I do have a special little guest with me today. Yay! It's my little man. This is Braylon. For those of you who don't know, this is my son. He wanted to help me do the unboxing. Quit being so shy. You're bashful.
She forced me.
I did not. No. So I just want to show you, it has not been opened anywhere. And both of my mystery boxes are in here. So what he's gonna do.
I'm good.
So what he's gonna do is hand me the products without me seeing what's in the boxes, right? Right.
Give me the blade.
No.
Okay.
So I'm gonna open this box. Whoops. Open this box, if it will. And then I'll show you packages.
Yeah.
Packages. All right. Here's the first one, right? I'll do the blade and then...
It's fine.
No, I'll do the blade.
What?
Ooh, I'm not looking, okay? Can I put that away? Hold on. Me do that right there. There we go. All right. Munchkin, hand me the first one. What's in it? Ooh, this is the exclusive he was talking about. This is a gloss. It's a lip gloss and it's called Succulent. Let's see what it looks like. I'm excited. Ooh.
Cool.
But it's gonna come in the same formula or the same thing. Beautiful pink. It's gonna have like a, what do you think? Like a bluish, purple, iridescent, maybe? Let's do a swatchy. Don't open that, I can't see.
Purple.
A burble. Look at that. Whoa. That. Zip it. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Isn't it cool? You see that? All right, show me the next one.
Okay. What?
All right, next one. I'm not looking. It smells good too. Oh, it's a beanie. Ooh, shut the front door. Oh my goodness, look at that.
The only reason you have contact. I'm never gonna wear it.
I'm never gonna take it off.
I'm never gonna.
Oh, I almost looked. Okay. I know. I'm sorry. Okay, next one. Okay. It's another pop socket, but this one is gonna be pink. Super cool.
Socket.
All right. Next thing. Pop socket is a pop socket.
Okay, last one.
Is it? It's heavy. Oh my bejesus. Okay. I think I got the alien palette. Look at that. Oh my god. Take the bubbles. Oh my god. I've been wanting this and it's been sold out and he's not redoing it.
Ow! My eardrum.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Okay.
You ready to see this, dude? You'll like the way it looks. Look at that.
Ooh.
Ooh, you want to show it to him?
I'm an alien.
Alien. And it's got the 3D thing.
3D.
3D. Let's take a look.
Ooh.
Oh my bejesus.
A UFO.
Yeah. You see the different ones he's got in there?
Yeah.
That is so gorgeous. I got the alien palette. Take a look. Here.
Oh, cool.
All right, that was the last. That was all for that box. Hand me that one so I'll cut it open for you. Okay, let me show them real quick. This is the next box. This was the Supreme. I only got 2 of the 3 boxes because the third one sold out before I could even get to it. All right, show me the next one.
Okay.
Don't let me see anything.
Hold on.
Sounds like clothes.
Wait, hold up. Okay, don't look. Okay, don't.
Just give it to her.
Just give it to me.
Oh.
It's a hat!
I thought you said open it so I can put it on your head.
I might take my beanie off for this one.
Done.
Oh my goodness! My mom might steal that. Ooh. Let's see, it's gonna be probably big right now. Yeah, it's gotta be fixed, but that is so pretty. Next one, sorry.
Did you hurt yourself?
No, fixing that mop on my head.
I fixed it.
Guess you would quit putting it on my head. Ooh, shut the front door. He didn't feature this.
Ooh,
He had 8 items in this box. 4 of them are exclusive. So this must be one of them. Let's see.
A Jeffree Star t-shirt.
Ooh, it's just like the hoodie, except it's a t-shirt.
Oh, look at that.
I'm so excited! Yay!
I need that for Valentine. Ooh, a handbag.
It's the mini jawbreaker. I already have this, so I will put this in a giveaway for this video. If Mother wants it. That's the thing. You didn't like the last you didn't like the colors, so to speak. But
it's different colors.
it's the same colors.
Okay.
So this one will be in a giveaway today. Mimi's trying to steal my shirt.
There's so much going wrong with
It's a
this.
medium.
There's so much going wrong with this.
Ooh, it's a mystery liquid lipstick. Ooh. Okay, here's the shade. Let's take a look, see.
Makes it look pink.
I know, but it's a mystery one. It doesn't really, it's not going to really show it what it is, I think. Oh,
It is pink.
it is pink. It is very pink. Let's see here. It is a metallic liquid lip. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty. I think I'm going to swatch it for you. Mix it up.
Ow.
Handsome. Oh my, look at that.
Ooh.
Whoa.
You're gonna
That's not too
turn
bad.
pink.
That is.
That's nice.
You're gonna turn pink.
I'm going to turn.
That'll go good with what you got on your eyes.
Actually, you're gonna turn into an owl and turn pink.
I know.
You're gonna turn
I'll
into
be a pink owl.
Pinch, poke,
Poke,
yo,
me,
Coke. Pinch, poke, yo, Coke.
All right, next item. Let's see.
No look. No looky.
I'm not looking. I'm looking that way.
Okay, give it to Mama. Ooh.
No idea what that is.
Some more metal straws
Oh.
to add to my collection. Yes. It's the green ones.
Green.
I already have the pink ones and
yellow, green, gold.
St. Patty's
yeah, some
Day.
of them's got gold and like
they're
a greenish gold.
glittery. They're like
Mhm.
glittery.
They're like a greenish gold. Next,
Glittery gold.
glittery gold.
No.
Oh, almost looked. It's a liquid lip.
No.
No, it's a gloss. Ooh,
Close, but-
okay. The gloss.
The gloss.
It's in the shade
Not a
Legends
gloss,
Only.
it's the gloss.
This will also be in the giveaway because I already have one of these coming.
Like, it's not a gloss, it's the gloss.
I'll show you what it looks like at least. Let me do that. Let me try and do that without breaking this one.
To what?
I know, it's got that thing
Uh-oh.
on the bottom
Keep you from.
to keep it from moving around. Yeah. There we go.
Move it, move it, move it.
But it's a nude sheer gloss. It's pretty, and I mean, it's just a nude gloss.
Wasn't
That's all.
there already something that had like the exact same case like that?
Yeah, the other one's just like it. All the glosses are gonna look just like that. Alright. Well, I'll probably just keep this one and throw the other one in the giveaway with it. Let me swatch it for you. But I do have one ordered. It's on the way.
Just keep that one.
Yeah, I've got another one coming. So,
I mean, you already have one, so.
like this. Let's see. It's just a nude gloss right there.
Or your skin.
It's just a little sheer glued. Sheer glued. Sheer nude. Alright. Next.
Alright. I think we have like two, maybe. Alright. So one's like something.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
I think I know what this could be. And this time I did not watch anybody's spoilers, by the way.
Ooh.
I think this is a highlighter palette.
Ooh. Ooh.
I think.
Bubbles. Give me.
Bubbles!
Give me.
I'm so right. It's the 24 karat gold highlighter palette.
Yay.
I'm
Yay.
excited.
Yeah, pop it. There we go.
Like, you take them and you twist them and then pop all of them.
No, you won't. Oh.
Yes, it will. Okay. Alright, that's what it looks like right here.
Every time I get a new item, I do
You're
this.
scaring teeny.
Doggy tea. Ooh, gold.
Oh yeah. Very gold.
I'm rich. I'm rich on
Oh, yeah.
gold.
I like that one.
We rich on gold, boys.
What's that? Mm-hmm. That's beautiful. Do we need some swatches?
No.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
I don't know.
That feels good.
That feels good.
Oh yeah. Cool. Okay, we'll do the top row.
To the top row. Ooh.
That is gorgeous.
God.
Ugh. Yum.
Yep.
That last one looked the best. Yeah, that one looked the best.
I'm gonna do all of them now.
No.
Let's do that one.
We still have like 2 items maybe. I don't know.
Oh, here's the gold
Yep.
one
Last
right
item.
here.
One more item.
Hold on. Oh. Mm-hmm. Yes. 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 Yay!
Wait, yeah.
Because I need more highlighters. Yay! Here, you want to play with that?
Play with it.
Next thing.
Alright, last item.
Is it? Last item? Is it a big one? Sounds
Very.
big. Huh?
Berry.
Very. Ooh, very big.
No. No look. No.
I'm not looking. Eyes are closed. What is it, Mimi? We have a mirror. We have a mirror. Now I have 2 mirrors already. I have 2 mirrors already. I have one that's already going in a giveaway. And I have my other one right there.
Mirror.
Right there. Yeah. Let's see. Which one?
This one.
I think it might, because you see the sticker, that one's orange. This one's got white.
I think so.
No, it's going to look like that there.
Where?
On the wall. Hanging on the wall. That. Yeah. I don't have this one. Ooh. Yes.
White.
It's all white with the black. This was part of his Halloween collection. That's awesome. Mm-hmm. Nice and pretty.
I'm a star.
Highlighter all on you. So that was it? That was all?
Yeah.
There's nothing else in there?
No.
Alright guys, that completes the video. Munchkin did a good job. I'm proud of him.
For the most part.
For the most part, he did good.
I'll be better next time.
You did okay. But we're going to show you what we're going to give away.
Ooh, fancy.
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 Because it's stuff I'm going to have duplicates of and don't need. So I am going to be giving away the mini Jawbreaker palette. Sorry. We're also going to be doing the Legends Only, the lip gloss.
And the pop socket.
The little pink pop socket. I have a bunch of these. Don't really need that one. And I think I'm probably going to do... No, I'm not giving that away. Oh, you want to put it on me?
I can get it
Here.
on. There we go.
It's great. You did good. Thank you.
Yay.
And I think I'm also going to do that mirror.
That mirror?
No, that one I got. So it's the white with the black writing on it. I'm going to be giving that one away with all of this too as well. I don't need it. I don't need it.
I
Huh.
just said you're going to give away that one.
That one's for the big prize.
Oh.
So I do have another Jeffree Star mirror I am going to be giving away. So I will be adding this one.
I'm just saying what you told me.
I know. I gotta watch what I say around kids, apparently. But I'm also gonna be giving this away in there too. So, what do they need to do to win all this?
Subscribe. And
Subscribe.
comment down below and like the video.
Comment, like. What else do they need to do? Is that it?
Favorite the video.
Favorite the video. I don't know if that's a thing. Is that a thing?
Yeah.
You're young. You probably know more than me. I look crazy right now. But yeah, no. So I guess subscribe, like, and comment
down below.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Subscribe, like, comment down below, and also let me know how to get in touch with you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We had fun. I'm excited with all the new goodies, and I will give you a tutorial on everything soon. Y'all have a good one, guys. Bye.